In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make dubstep music in Suno AI. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. We're going to craft a strong style prompt first, and we'll use ChatGPT to help. In the search bar, type ChatGPT and open the official website. Once you're in, write a clear, detailed prompt that describes the sound you want Suno to produce. For example, you might say, generate a dubstep track with an intense, high-energy mood and a futuristic vibe at 140 BPM. Include distorted, robotic male vocals, heavy wobble bass, sharp synth stabs, and dynamic drops. The more precise you are with genre, mood, tempo, instruments, and vocal style, the better the results. Click Submit and wait a moment for the response. When the prompt is ready, highlight the final style prompt and copy it. On Windows, use Ctrl+C. On Mac, use Command+C. Now head over to Suno and open the Create page. In the Styles field, paste the prompt you just copied. That's Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. This tells Suno exactly what kind of dubstep track to build. Next, let's generate original lyrics to match the track. Go back to ChatGPT and type a lyrics request. For instance, write original lyrics for a dubstep song about starting a new chapter in life that fit the genre. Feel free to change the subject to whatever theme fits your vision, like resilience, nightlife, or futuristic rebellion. Click Submit and give it a moment to compose. Aim for concise lines, a clear chorus, and phrasing that leaves space for drops and instrumental breaks. This helps dubstep arrangements breathe. When the lyrics are ready, highlight and copy them with Ctrl+C or Command+C. Return to Suno and locate the lyrics section. Paste the lyrics in. Double-check for any long lines that may feel crowded. It's okay to keep verses short so the rhythm and drops can shine. Now click Create and let Suno generate your music. This may take some time, so be patient. The system is building the arrangement, vocals, and sound design based on your style prompt and lyrics. If your first result isn't exactly what you had in mind, remember that small tweaks to wording, like adjusting mood adjectives or specifying more punchy drums, can make a big difference on the next pass. And that's it. You've used ChatGPT to define a detailed dubstep style and write original lyrics, then brought it all together in Suno. Follow these steps anytime you want a new track, and have fun exploring different vibes within the genre.